Kenny, I've had more than one customer, I'd say I'd have a few customers, ask me about our YouTube revenue, Kenny. They made the assumption that because I'm such a star, that our YouTube revenue is ginormous. And because right now, Kenny, just between you and me, we're pumping out a lot of content. Now, I've looked at some of the content, and it looks like our most amazing videos have less than 200 views, which is awfully surprising because some of them have puppies, TRXs, and a Van Genius, Kenny. I mean, these things should have plethoras of views. But right now, Kenny, I'm gonna answer the question. I'm not even gonna make you wait till the end of the video of how much money we've made on Google AdWords over here on our YouTube channels. To date, over a year in business, Kenny, we have made, Kenny, I want you to flash this number up on the screen. It's a big number. 1 year's worth of work, 1 year's worth of YouTube revenue. We are at $1,271.12. Now I know what you're thinking, John, what are you gonna do with all that money? All of this money from 2021, all of our gazillions of $1,271, Kenny, I think we're gonna go ahead and give that money to Barb'S Dog Rescue down in Puerto Penasco, Mexico. But Kenny, we're not gonna give it to him just yet. We're gonna let this money accrue all year. And we're also gonna take all the money that we make from 2022 ad revenue, combine it together and give it to old Barb over at Barb'S Dog Rescue in Puerto Penasco. So I'm telling you right now, Kenny, last year's money, all gazillions of $1,271 and the gazillions of dollars that we're gonna make in 2022 on Google AdWords from our YouTube channel, we are now pledging it to Barb'S Dog Rescue because I'll tell you what, Kenny, she's got a better use of the money than we do over here at Nomadic Cooling. So Barb, we appreciate you. We appreciate everything you do. And we are gonna keep making videos, then we're gonna give you all the money for it. So if you people out there could do me a favor and like and subscribe. How did Roxy get in here? Where did she come from? Where did you come from? How'd she get in here? You were looking for me? To all the beautiful puppies out there in the world, we thank you guys for being beautiful puppies. And Barb, we thank you for everything you do for the beautiful puppies. And we will keep doing what we do over here at Nomadic Cooling, making these amazing YouTube videos for you so that you can click on subscribe, like the videos, and then we can give more money to Barb'S Dog Rescue at the end of this year. Guys, remember to go further in comfort, and like and subscribe because guess what? We don't have enough people doing that.